Di ba yung internet, it made healing look like yung mga soul searching, hiking, beach trips, mga kunwari productive na morning routine, yung mga newly painted na bedroom, yung mga ganun, di ba? Pero yung totoo, yung healing, hindi siya ganun ka-aesthetic. Messier siya eh.
May mga healing processes din talaga na it doesn't really need those kind of aesthetics. It helps sa iba because they give it confidence, may mga ganung factors. But to others, healing is just being quiet. You heal with your inner self that hindi siya nakikita ng ibang tao. You heal yung mga wounds mo, yung mga traumas that just needs some quiet time, just needs some accompaniment na ibang tao din.
Tsaka ako naniniwala, yung healing, it's not a timeline. Parang loop siya, cycle. Minsan kasi akala mo healed ka na, tapos maya-maya, uy, relapse tayo. Parang babalik tayo, may maalala tayo, masasaktan tayo sa nakita natin, na parang, okay, nag-heal na ako, pero ongoing pa rin pala yung healing. Hindi natin mapanghahawakan kung kailan ka mag-heal.